Hello everyone, today we've got a 2003 Jaguar X-Type with 2.5 liter motor and we're fixing the air conditioning system on it. It is taken apart heavily. You might not have to do so. We're reholing it completely, so we've taken a bumper out and more. So today we will show you the location for the orifice of the air conditioning system, and it is located on the passenger side under the hood right there. For the easier access, you might want to unscrew that screw, unplug the plug, make some room, then be careful with this down there. Don't bend any of those. And you will find a little bulge on the AC line. It will be wrapped up in that plastic. You will have to cut it off.
And slide it back a little bit.
Slide it back. Take two open-end wrenches and unscrew those two nuts. Pull it out, and there's your orifice. You can see it right there sticking just ahead of it. That's it. Good luck.
До станька.